what's going on? What have you been doing? Playing your game? Motherfucker. Good. Motherfucker, I miss you. I talked to you about everything. There's more I think I had to say to you, but I forgot. You want it over, dude? Go ahead. This truck, we're racing up a hill, and I came back. Go ahead. He's holding up a whole bunch of traffic. I put my arm out like you can have it. He's trying to pass me, and I'm doing 65, so I dropped back so he could get in. 'Cause I'm a nice guy. Yeah, maybe our karma will come around and